So Jude's telling me about his drag racing yesterday. Start over. That you were drag racing a Volkswagen CC. Go ahead, and then what happened?
From a dig, I absolutely destroyed him. From a 30 roll, still beat him. Once I hit 4th gear, I was just gone. I did a roll with a 40 roll and then a 30 roll with my one friend who has a Honda, making low 3s, big turbo SI.
Big turbo.
So I had to be, I have a manual car, so I had to be in 3rd gear for the
Big turbo
roll.
SI.
But I was low in RPMs, so I didn't really have that torque that I have at the high RPMs. Lost that race. When we did a 30 roll, I could start in 2nd gear and rev it out, and just got the jump and I didn't see it again. Every time we did it too.
So I was saying to Jude about drag racing. So I'm an old school drag racer. I used to run the streets in Philly, and I was one of the top guns back there. When you were running 10s and 11s, you were fast. And I'm saying high 10s to low 11s consistently, and we never raced a rolling race start. Real drag racers is from a dig. All the Hondas and Toyotas and everyone who stole their mom's car or bought a car for $50 that had a clutch. They're out there spinning their tires all the way down the street. Yeah. Real drag racing roots was not from a rolling start. We didn't start our races at 100. We didn't start our races at 20 or 30. We started them from a dig. My race car against your race car, and we see who wins. That's not even a sport from a dig. I mean, a rolling start. That is such a handicap, cop-out, pussy drag racing shit if I ever seen it.